Nano Banana Pro is at it. If you want to turn any selfie into a viral 3D figurine and actually make money from it, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. Sing Nano Banana Pro. Imagine your selfie transformed into a stunning 3D model that can go viral online and you can monetize it fast. Stick around, I'll show you step by step. Hey friend, welcome back to Digital Wealth with AI, where we use smart tools to make smart income. In today's video, I'm revealing something fresh, fun, and honestly, a bit crazy, which happens to do with how to take any selfie, turn it into a 3D figurine or viral AI image, and monetize it. Yes, you can monetize it using the trending AI tool called Nano Banana Pro. Why does this matter? Because 3D content, AR filters, AI portraits, they're going viral right now. And the creators cashing in are not experts. They're people who simply know the right tools. Trust me, after this video, you will become that person. Into 4 easy stages. One of my student, after his training, he started posting 3D figuring version of himself, just for fun on Instagram. Guess what? In 48 hours, that post got 130,000 views. And he received over 500 messages from people saying, "Can you do one for me too?" He started charging $20 per image and made $140 in his first week. Guess what he used? Not Photoshop, not Blender, not 3D software. He used AI tools, and one of them was Nano Banana Pro. Here's the truth. Most people think making money online is hard. But today's internet is simple. If you can turn something ordinary into something extraordinary, people will pay. And selfies? We all have them. That means this opportunity has unlimited demand. So how do you start even if you have zero skills? Understanding Nano Banana Pro, what it really does, come with, because in this video, I got you. Nano Banana Pro is an AI platform that transforms flat photos into 3D figurines, viral AI portraits, Pixar-style character, games avatars, AR filters, cartoon wallpapers, anime-style versions, and digital collectibles. And you don't need any editing experience. Think of it as Canva plus Pixar plus ChatGPT, all mixed together. Here's why it's powerful. 1. You only need a selfie. 2. It gives you 5-10 variations instantly. 3. You can sell, post, or print it. 4. You can create custom AI characters for clients. That means digital product business, Fiverr service, Instagram service, TikTok viral account, printable birthday figurines, couple portraits, pet figurines, gaming avatars. What if I show you exactly how to do it from your phone right now? You will start earning instantly even if you have never earned online before, because here and right now, I'm going to show you step-by-step way to use what you learn in this video to earn nice income. Yes, by creating selfie using Nano Banana. I'm not an affiliate yet, but if Nano Banana ever creates an affiliate program, I might join later, but for now I'm just sharing this because it works. And again, tell me in the comments if you want me to find more AI tools like this. Maybe I'll partner with them and bring you discounts. Let's go in more to create step 1. Open Nano Banana Pro, search it online or find the link in my description. No complicated setup, just sign in with Google or email. Step 2. Choose your format. Here are popular ones beginners use. 3D figurine Pixar character anime style. 3D avatar AI portrait for Instagram. Step 3. Upload your selfie now. Listen before you start. These are the tips to get a good result. 1. Good lighting. 2. Face facing the camera. 3. Plain background. 4. Avoid filters. Step 4. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Boom. You'll get multiple variations. Step 5. Export and save now. You can post on social media, offer it as a service, print it as a cake topper, use it as your YouTube avatar, or sell it as a digital product. But wait, how do we make money with this? Phase 4. Monetization strategies, the digital wealth section. Here are 6 real ways to turn these AI images into income. I will tell you everything without any part left out. Method 1 is Fiverr gigs. Create titles like, I will turn your selfie into a 3D Pixar-style avatar using AI. People charge $10 to $50 per image. You just need Nano Banana Pro. Method: 2 Instagram or TikTok viral page. Post dramatic before, after transformations. Add captions like, "Turn yourself into a 3D character. DM me 3D to get yours." That starts a DM funnel where you can close sales. Method 3. Sell printable figurines for birthdays. People love couple figurines, game avatars, pet transformations, engagement surprises. Method 4. Digital product on Etsy or Selar, where you can sell cartoon-style profile picture packs. And AI helps you sell that without spending years learning design. This is not replacing humans. It's actually enhancing creativity. This is digital opportunity, and it's available right now. Phase 6: Next level scaling for growing creators. Once you start getting orders, here's how to level up. 1. Bundle services. 3 images plus 5 AI captions equals $40 package. Use WhatsApp automation, auto-send orders and payments. 3. Build a simple landing page. Canva plus Selar equals instant online shop. 4. Create a portfolio page. Instagram highlights or TikTok showcase. 5. Is upselling. AI bio writing. AI captions for Instagram. AI poster design. YouTube thumbnails using AI. Your goal? Become a creative brand, not just a service provider. If this video opened your mind, hit like, drop a comment saying AI wealth, and I'll reply personally. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm making a full series on how to build a profitable 3D AI business even from your phone. And check the link in the description. I added my free AI business starter kit to help you begin today. You don't need to wait for the future, because the future is already here, and it's in your hands. Create, try, post, monetize, and let AI become your silent business partner. See you in the next video.